Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to park a Mazda CX-5. Begin by checking mirrors and blind spots, then signal early and move slowly. Use reference points like the side mirror and curb to judge distance. Keep both hands on the wheel and make smooth steering inputs to avoid overcorrecting. If using the camera, combine it with shoulder checks, not as a sole method, for safer, confident parking every time. In this video, I will show how to park a Mazda CX-5. Position alongside the car ahead about 2 feet apart, then shift into reverse and check all directions. Turn the wheel toward the curb and back slowly until the rear clears, then straighten and center the CX-5 with small adjustments. Use gentle throttle and brake inputs to control speed, and repeat practice in low-traffic areas to build consistency and comfort. In this video, I will show how to park a Mazda CX-5. Quick recommendation: if you spend time in your car, Little Tree's black ice keeps the cabin smelling great after long drives and parking practice. It's a small, affordable way to make your CX-5 feel nicer between trips. If you found this useful, subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to park a Mazda CX-5. For angle parking, approach slowly at a shallow angle and turn into the spot with steady speed. When pulling through, keep smooth throttle to prevent bumper contact and watch curb height with the camera or sensors. Center the vehicle in the bay, leaving equal space on both sides, and use mirrors to confirm clearance for opening doors and passing vehicles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.